Hey there folks, Andrea Cox here with AndreaCox.com and the DETOXintuitive.com here in my kitchen with a big plant that is probably obstructing your view a little bit, but we're gonna leave it there. I'm a hippie chick. I have plants and crystals and salt lamps and Buddhas all over my house. And welcome. I just got back from the gym and I thought, you know what? Why not make my lunch for the camera? So that is what I am going to do. I wanted to thank you first and foremost for subscribing to this channel. Thank you. I am very grateful for that. And also check out my other channel, the DETOX Intuitive, I'm about to hop over there later today and do a full moon ritual because we've got the full moon in Virgo, which is why I am bringing this lunch to all of you. So the full moon in Virgo, what exactly does that mean? Well, Virgo represents health, vitality, and also our jobs. So you could have maybe some problems with some people at work today. You could be more focused on your health. Those are all things that encompass the full moon in Virgo. So let's get started, shall we? Okay. So what I've got here today is organic raw sushi nori. I've got some chard, and I've got some alfalfa sprouts. I also have some sun-dried tomatoes that I soaked in water, fresh spring water. I've also got some fresh medjool dates. I'm going to be using about 8. And I have got some nutritional yeast. It is gluten-free. I've also got some mustard, some Woodstock organic stone ground mustard in here. So these are super easy, and they're one of my favorite things to make they have very little fat, and I do a very high carb vegan diet. I've been vegan for almost 19 years. I think on my birthday in a few days, it'll be 19 years. So I'm gonna take this first, and I'm just gonna kind of lay it flat like so. Actually, you know what? As I assemble, I'm gonna point this down. So I'm just gonna kind of point this down at the plate so you can see me assemble. So I've laid this flat on the plate. I'm just gonna take the sushi nori papers like so. I'm gonna pull one out here. And I like that it ripped in half because I actually ripped these anyway. And I shared this on my Instagram in the stories the other day, and it must have made for a really pretty story because y'all were like, please show us more of that. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of nutritional yeast on, and to dampen the nori, I'm gonna reach my clean fingers in here and grab some of these sun-dried tomatoes that I have rehydrated with water. I'm gonna grab, so usually I would soak my dates. Whoops, one almost fell out there. But this time, I swear to God, when I get married, remind me not to have a hair scrunchie around my wrist. But this time I didn't because these dates are already pretty moist. So I'm just gonna kind of put these down here, rip them up like that. Make sure you pit your date. You don't wanna chip a tooth, chip a veneer, chip whatever you have going on there. I have the cutest vegan gym shoes on. I wish I could show you. They're so adorable. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of the mustard down. I can't believe the DOGs are not barking. I love that. Ooh, and then these living sprouts. Wow. Oh my gosh, wow. Right? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna roll it up very tightly. As I roll, I'm gonna continue to fold. So I'm like rolling, and then that roll I kind of push down, and I pull it again and roll it, making sure all the good stuffing gets in there like so. Now, if you wanna be real fancy schmancy, you can cut these babies in half like I did the other day. Kind of stack them on top of each other like so. Okay, so let me point this up and give you a quick thank you. Folks, I'm Andrea Cox. Thank you so much. And thank you for subscribing. Do hit the bell notification button. Yeah, I was just noticing I kind of look like Rapunzel or Pippi Longstocking. My hair's wet. What can I say? Give these a try yourself. I think you'll really, really love them. It's one of my favorite go-to foods. I'll actually use all the ingredients here. I'll have probably 8 dates for lunch. And you guys, I wear a size 2. The max I go above, I think I weigh 124 and I'm almost 5'11". So, you know, this carbohydrates do not put weight on you as long as you stop eating, you know, dead, decomposing animals, because animals are our friends, and get a little healthy fat in there throughout the day. You're going to be okay. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And after you subscribe here, hop on over to the Detox Intuitive and subscribe over there too. Be well. Bye.